Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. Excuse me. In today's Second Splash review video, I'd like to share with you some proof that another monthly recurring commission has come in. Just 1 hour ago, I'm live in my Gmail account here, and that takes me to a total of $250 in commissions with, in profit with Second Splash. More importantly, in this video, I want to show you how even as a free member, you can start to not only get viral passive traffic with Second Splash, but as a free member, you can earn these monthly recurring commissions promoting the offer. And a bit later on the video, I'm going to give you our team's done for you funnel for free. And that's where you can turn your Second Splash income from one income stream excuse me into 3 income streams. So I'll take you into my back office, into my members area here, and you'll see the commissions. You're going to click to view, and what you'll see here, everything here totals now $250. This one here is for $97. So you've even got the potential to earn a higher ticket commission, even as a free member, because some of the members have got, well, not every member, but some of the members will pay up front for a whole year. And that's what one of my referrals did. And that's why I earned the $97 there. So you have got that potential to earn not just the monthly recurring commissions, but also the higher ticket commissions again. Let's go back into the dashboard. These are the clicks you're going to get with your splash pages. So this is the viral passive traffic aspect with your splash pages. There's another videos on that, but the link in the description will take you to the home page where you can get some more information on the traffic. I want to just touch on the bonus income, which is a second income stream in the funnel. So the bonus income, when I click on here, is called Easy Cash for Ads. So all you do is when you sign up for, even as a free account with Second Splash, go into your bonus income, and Easy Cash for Ads is the sister product owned by the owners of Second Splash. And there's lots of reasons here why they recommend you join. There's a video here that teaches you and shows you not only you earn referral income, but you also earn passive income with that pay plan as well. I'll show you some proof of profit shortly. It gives you 7 reasons why they recommend that you join Easy Cash for Ads. That's a one-time $19 payment. If you haven't seen any of my other Easy Cash for Ads videos, you're also going to get 100% autopilot bias traffic to any offer within that system as well. So you click on there to join Easy Cash for Ads, pay one-time $19, and then just go back in here, put your username into here, Easy Cash for Ads username, click update, and then if any of your Second Splash referrals join Easy Cash for Ads through your link in here, you're going to start to earn these commissions here. Unlimited $10 commissions. So I'm live here in my Easy Cash for Ads account, and you'll see so far I've earned $840 profit. And these are unlimited $10 commissions. So you pay the one-time $19, but you'll see there $840 now in profit. So it's a good additional income stream that you can earn. It's optional, not compulsory. But I'm going to go down and show you our team's free done for you funnel that we're going to give you. There'll be a link in the description, and this is another monthly recurring income stream, even as a free member. So this is for Leads Leap. So our team uses the Leads Leap tools to promote Second Splash. So we're going to give you this lead capture page. Now, as a beginner, don't get overwhelmed by all the information on here. because what happens is when you go into the link in the description, we're going to give you this lead capture page. Put your name in there, your email. It'll take you to a page like this. And on this page, we will teach you how to set those 2 pages up. You'll join Second Splash there. And then this page here will teach you in a few copy and paste and click simple steps. All you're going to do is just copy these share codes, paste them into Leads Leap, and then we're going to give you this free done for you funnel. What it will do, it will just duplicate these pages for you. All right, really simple. Don't get overwhelmed as a beginner and look at it and think you can't do it, because our video tutorial takes you through it step by step. And then also in the video tutorial, what it'll teach you is it'll teach you how to put your Second Splash affiliate link into here, and it'll teach you how to put your Leads Leap affiliate link into here. So when your referrals join Leads Leap, they'll join through your affiliate link. And if any of them upgrade to Pro, you'll receive monthly recurring commissions. I'll just show you some proof that it does work. I'm live in my Leads Leap account here. It's Wednesday, the 12th of July. That's American time. And my total earnings for Leads Leap as an affiliate so far are $735. And 99% of that is recurring income. So I did start Leads Leap as a free member. And then when I got some monthly recurring commissions coming in, I upgraded to Pro, where I earn 50% monthly recurring commissions. But you start out with 25%. And as a free member, that's great. It's a free lifetime membership. You don't have to upgrade. And then you've got all the tools and the traffic you need to build any online business with Leads Leap. You just have to use these tools to build Second Splash and promote Second Splash. You're then a member of Leads Leap to build any online business you want. So if you want to promote the Second Splash funnel, I'll give you some free traffic resources here. This is my blog post of my best 5 free traffic sources that I use every single day. So I'll pin my blog post to the top comment below the video you're watching now. And if you're on a tight budget, if you're brand new and you don't know where to get traffic from, then these are the 5 free traffic sources that I recommend and personally use every day. So as a beginner, it's a great place to start. And if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And please share the video on social media. Appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my channel as well. And if you've enjoyed today's video and you'd like to see some more videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new videos every week, and I've now got over 1,000 videos on my channel. If you've got any questions at all about Second Splash or Leads Leap or the funnel, any questions at all, please leave those in the comments below, and I'll reply to all your questions. And I'll also put my email address in the description. Excuse me. If you want to contact me direct through email. So the link in the description is where you can join Second Splash for free. And then what you can do is you can go into your members area and you can start to create some splash pages and get some viral passive traffic. And then if you want to promote as an affiliate and then start to earn some monthly recurring commissions and up to 3 income streams with our funnel, then you can set that up as well. Thanks very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.